Hello and welcome, lovely viewers. I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we embark on an exciting journey together. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or simply seeking inspiration, I'm delighted to share this experience with you. So sit back, relax, and let's explore together a visit to Sydney, Australia. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Sydney's evening. Rush with our captivating walking tour of George Street. Join us on a journey through one of Australia's most iconic thoroughfares as we explore the bustling streets. Illuminated landmarks and dynamic atmosphere of this cosmopolitan city. Experience the hustle and bustle of Sydney's central business district as locals and tourists alike navigate the lively streets lined with shops, restaurants. Talking about restaurants, Sydney has one of the most edible delicates you can think of. Here are some popular Australian foods you can find in Sydney. Meat pies. These savoury pastries filled with minced meat and gravy are a staple of Australian cuisine. And can be found at bakeries and cafes throughout Sydney. Vegemite. A dark brown spread made from yeast extract. Vegemite is a quintessential Aussie condiment often enjoyed on toast or crackers for breakfast or snacks. Lamingtons. These square-shaped sponge cakes coated in chocolate icing and shredded coconut are a beloved Australian dessert, perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. Barramundi. A popular Australian fish known for its delicate flavour and flaky texture. Barramundi can be found on the menus of many seafood restaurants in Sydney. Tim Tams. These chocolate-coated biscuits filled with creamy chocolate cream are an Aussie favourite. And make for a delicious treat with a cup of coffee or tea. Pavlova. A meringue-based dessert topped with whipped cream and fresh fruits such as kiwi, strawberries, and passion fruit. Pavlova is a light and refreshing dessert perfect for warm days in Sydney. Kangaroo meat. For the adventurous foodie, kangaroo meat is a lean and flavorful protein option that can be found on the menus of some Australian restaurants in Sydney. Fish and chips. A classic Aussie dish, fish and chips consists of battered and fried fish served with thick-cut potato chips and tartar sauce. Often enjoyed at beachside eateries in Sydney. Anzac biscuits. These sweet and chewy oat-based cookies are a traditional Australian treat. Often enjoyed on Anzac Day but available year-round in bakeries and cafes. Flat white. While not a food item, the flat white coffee is an Australian specialty. And a must-try for coffee lovers visiting Sydney. Made with espresso and steamed milk. It's a creamy and satisfying coffee drink that's sure to perk you up during your adventures in the city. Sydney has a historic architecture. From the iconic Sydney Opera House to the bustling Darling Harbour. Our 4K HDR footage captures the city's iconic landmarks in stunning detail. As the sun sets and the city lights come to life, soak in the breathtaking views of Sydney's skyline. And waterfront promenades. Join us as we stroll along George Street, taking in the sights and sounds of this vibrant metropolis during its most captivating hours. Whether you're planning your next visit to Sydney or simply dreaming of exploring the city from afar, our immersive walking tour offers a unique perspective on the beauty and excitement of Sydney's evening rush. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating travel experiences and virtual adventures around the world. Places you must visit are as follows. Sydney Opera House. This iconic landmark is renowned worldwide for its distinctive sail-like design and hosts a variety of performing arts events, from opera and ballet to concerts and theatre productions. Visitors can take guided tours to learn about its fascinating architecture. and history, or catch a show in one of its multiple venues, including the Concert Hall and the Joan Sutherland Theatre. Sydney Harbour Bridge. Known affectionately as the coat hanger, this steel arch bridge is an engineering marvel and offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Sydney skyline, harbour, and opera house. Adventurous travellers can embark on a bridge climb experience to scale its arches and enjoy unparalleled vistas. While others can simply stroll along its pedestrian walkway for free. Bondi Beach. This world-famous stretch of golden sand is a mecca for surfers, sunbathers, and beach lovers alike, offering excellent waves for surfing and a vibrant coastal culture. Visitors can take a dip in the sparkling blue waters, soak up the sun on the pristine shores, or explore the surrounding coastal walks with stunning ocean views. Darling Harbour. This bustling waterfront precinct is home to a plethora of attractions, including the Sea Life Sydney Aquarium, Wildlife Sydney Zoo, and Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, making it a popular destination for families and tourists. Visitors can also enjoy dining at waterfront restaurants, shopping at harbourside malls, or simply taking a leisurely stroll along the promenade. The Rocks. This historic neighbourhood is Sydney's oldest area, characterised by its cobblestone streets, colonial-era buildings, and rich maritime heritage. Visitors can explore its charming laneways lined with galleries, boutiques, and cafes, or delve into its convict past at museums like the Rocks Discovery Museum. The area also hosts lively weekend markets where artisans showcase their wares and street performers entertain crowds. Royal Botanic Garden. Situated on the shores of Sydney Harbour, this verdant oasis boasts a diverse collection of plants from around the world, as well as tranquil walking paths and scenic picnic spots. Visitors can wander through themed gardens, admire exotic flora, or join guided tours to learn about the garden's conservation efforts and cultural significance. Taronga Zoo. Perched on the shores of Sydney Harbour, this world-renowned zoo is home to over 4,000 animals from Australia and around the globe, including elephants, giraffes, and koalas. Visitors can experience up-close encounters with wildlife, enjoy daily keeper talks and animal shows, or embark on behind-the-scenes tours to learn about conservation efforts. And animal care. Circular Quay. This bustling transportation hub is a gateway to Sydney's iconic landmarks and harbour cruises, offering stunning views of the Opera House and Harbour Bridge. Visitors can catch a ferry to explore Sydney's harbour islands, dine at waterfront restaurants, or simply soak up the lively atmosphere and street performances. Manly Beach. Nestled between the ocean and Sydney Harbour, this iconic beach destination offers pristine sands, clear waters, and world-class surfing conditions. Visitors can enjoy swimming, snorkeling, or sunbathing on the beach, or explore the nearby coastal walks and scenic viewpoints. Queen Victoria Building. This Grand Victorian-era building is a historic landmark and premier shopping destination, housing a diverse range of boutiques, cafes, and specialty stores. Visitors can admire the building's stunning architecture, including its central dome and stained glass windows, or indulge in a spot of retail therapy amidst elegant surroundings. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey through Sydney. I hope you enjoyed exploring adventures as much as I did. Remember, the adventure doesn't have to end here. Subscribe to my channel for more captivating content and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and may your travels be filled with endless joy and discovery. But before we part ways, I'd love to hear from you. What did you enjoy most about our adventure today? Are there any other destinations or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. And remember, don't just watch the world, go out and experience it for yourself. Until we meet again, happy travels, and see you in the next video.